is Tuesday, the 18th day, guys. So, 18, where's 18? There's 18. I cannot wait. It's a week until Christmas Day. I'm kind of losing my voice, but otherwise that would have been a really high-pitched scream. Mars bar. Mars bar. Oh my gosh, what have I done? There. Yeah, Mars bar. So yeah, today we're going over to my nan's house because her conservatory's getting fixed. To not upload my video, it says failing to upload to YouTube, so there's probably a problem with YouTube because my Wi-Fi is okay, like it would work. Bye. My nan's house. She's getting her conservatory roof redone. I've got curry noodle soupy pot noodle thing. Totally healthy. Hey guys, it's 2:48 or maybe 2:49 now, but I'm going to pick Charlie and Lana up. Alana needs to be picked up, or she needs someone there 5 minutes early because they're giving out the present to the teacher or whatever it is. So I'm going down there now. She doesn't actually finish till 3, but I need to be there at 5 too. So yeah, and Charlie I think is going to walk home on his own. Yeah, okay. Okay guys, I got Hunter's chicken for dinner. Sorry I haven't filmed much, it's just I've been wrapping presents, watching YouTube, you know. Yeah, Hunter's chicken. I wanted curry, but I didn't get it. I got Hunter's chicken instead. By the way, that's my hair. Anyway, bye. This hasn't been a very exciting vlog. Don't know if there'll be any more, so bye, good night.